Enjoy guilt-free food. Cooking with the Colorado 158 air fryer allows you to fry food with 85% less oil. Meet your health goals without sacrificing your favorite foods. Easy to use. Minimalist design with indicator lights, clear markings, and a non-slip timer dial. Simply turn the dial to start cooking and to adjust cooking time. Compact with large capacity. The 5.8 QT basket can fit a 5-pound chicken or serve a meal for 3 to 5 people. The compact design takes up little space on your countertop. Easy to clean. With a non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket, free from BPA and PFOA, cleaning up after cooking is so easy. COSORI Cookbook Included. The 8 quick recipes printed on the top of the air fryer and a cookbook with 30 recipes by COSORI R&D chefs bring you an effortless cooking experience. Reliable customer service. Experiencing issues, our California-based customer support team is here to help. If your product is defective, don't worry about shipping it back. We'll send you a replacement right away. Specifications: 12.6 by 11.8 x 11.8 inches. Basket dimension: 9 by 9 by 3.75 inches. Temperature range: 180 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Rated power: 1700 W. Power supply: AC 120 volts, 60 Hz. Please note that the voltage only applies to US and Canada. Included components: 1x air fryer, 1x recipe book, 1x user manual, in N.S., 1x quick reference guide. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent air fryer. This is a first-class air fryer in appearance and performance at a substantial discount to what I paid for my Philips air fryer, which I also enjoy. I only bought another air fryer because I wanted a larger cooking capacity. After seeing and using the COSORI, I now think it is a better unit and a bargain. It offers a really large cooking area with its square shape, which makes food preparation much easier, and it turns out better because of the lack of crowding necessary. The precise, large temperature dial contrasts with the very small, poorly detailed Philips dial I was used to. The surface finish of the outside of the unit as well of the cooking basket is very high quality and attractive. The aluminum basket with the black, Teflon-like finish sheds water like oil on water and cleans up with ease and cannot rust, which was a big problem with some of the other low-cost air fryers. After registering it, you get a 2-year warranty, while my Philips gave my 1.5 years. It preheats to 400 degrees in 5 minutes and to 360 in 2.5 minutes. So far the only objection I have to it is a strong plastic smell when heated up, but it is now 80% gone after about 5 uses. Overall, I love using this appliance and would hands down recommend it over any other air fryer. My Philips cost about $180 2 years ago, size 2.75 quarts, and this unit cost $89 for well over 5 quarts. Both very good air fryers, but no comparison in value. Update: the plastic smell persisted and actually affected the taste of the food. We contacted COSORI, spoke with them after only 5 to 8 minute wait, informed them of the odor issue, and they without hesitation sent an even nicer replacement unit, which is perfect. They are a plus customer service company. That was the nicest and easiest interaction I have ever had with a company. I am a fan.